I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to design a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, the website we are gonna use is the PixelLab app. I mean the app, not the website. The app that we're gonna use is the PixelLab app. So you open the app. This is the app. So you open the app. From there, you click on this. Click on this. Then you go to image size. Then you click on the image size. Then you see custom. You can see something over here. You click on that. Then you select YouTube thumbnail. Then you click on OK. From there, you delete this new text by clicking on the A at the right bottom corner. You click on A, then you click on delete. Okay, after deleting it, you click on the button next to A. Then you click on shapes. After clicking on shapes, you just select this rectangle, then you fill it. You fill all the background with the white rectangle. Then you now select the color that you want. So let me just select a yellow color. Let me select a yellow color. Yellow. Let me use this color. Then I'll now click on what? Okay. Post. I'll click on the check mark over here. This check mark. After that, I go and then lock this shape by clicking on this, and then click on the lock over here. What's the importance of locking this? I'm locking this because I don't want it to shift. I don't want the position to be changed, or I'm not typing the text on the yellow background. Okay, let's say the video I've created, the video that I've let's say the video that I've created is on how to design a YouTube thumbnail. So I'll just go to that A again, then I click on text. When you click on text, you then click on what? Edit. You erase this text. You erase this text and type in how to design. Then you click on done. Then you click on this two T's. I mean the double T's over there. This double T's. You make the whole thing capital. Then you click on OK. From there you go to the text, the size. Then you increase the size. You click on your check mark. Please follow all what I'm doing there. Don't skip any part. Just watch this video to the end and you get the understanding. Okay, from there you go and select the font. I would like to use chunk 5. Then I click on OK. Then I go to relative position. The position over here. Then I click on this alone to bring it to the middle. Then I click on the check mark. From there I go back and then add the strokes. I add the strokes, then click on my check mark. I add the shadow too as well. Then I click on my check mark. From there I'll say this is okay. So when you write this how to design, then you go to the A again, then you click on what? Text again. You click on edit. Please follow it. When you click on edit, you type in, you've already written what? How to design. Then you now type in a YouTube thumbnail. Then you click on that. You make this one small letters. Let it be in small letters. How to create? But make this A capital. How to create a YouTube thumbnail? You bring it to the middle as well by going to the relative position. Then click on your check mark. You go and select the font that you prefer. I'll go and select the font that I want. Okay, let me click on OK. Then you can see that the text cannot be seen. So we go to spacing over here. Then you space the letters. Okay. Then you click on your check mark and then increase. Let's just add the distance before the strokes. Click on your check mark. Add you then add a shadow to it to make it look beautiful. Then you go to bold. This capital B over here. Click on it and click on this B to make the text bold. Click on your check mark. Okay, from there you can select a color for that text by clicking on color. Then you select your color, the color that you want. Let me just leave it in this color because we are just practicing, not that I'm sending it to a client. Okay, from here I go ahead to size, then I increase the size a little bit. See that the text is no longer in the middle, so I go to relative position again and I click on this one, assuming it's okay. Then I go to position itself, the position over here. Then I bring the text down. I now bring the text down. Okay, how to design? After here, let's make the text look a little bit beautiful. So we come to what? Background, text background. You click on it, then you enable it. So you can select the background color. Okay, let it be like this. Then you click on it. So after here, you've written how to design a YouTube thumbnail on what? On a smart or on your smartphone. On your smartphone. So we are now going to write on your smartphone. So you click on text again, edit, and then erase this new text and type on your smartphone. Click on that and make this one capital again. Click on OK. Bring it here. Then you select a font for it by going to the fonts. Let me select the font that I want. So I go down and select the font that I want. Okay, I like this font. You see that the text cannot be seen, so I just space it by going toward the spacing where I'll circle spacing. So I click on the spacing and space the letters, and I click on check mark. I go, let me add the strokes and the shadow before I go and increase the size. I click on my shadow Click on OK. Then I go to bold. Let me bold that text as well. Okay. Then I go on to text size. I increase the size. Okay, let me make this one big. I go to relative position. I click on this. Okay. Then I click on what? My check mark. Okay, let's go back to how to design. Let's increase the size width. Let's position it in the middle. Okay, this is very beautiful. Okay. So this one, I can go down and click on to make it look shiny. So I click on emboss, enable it. Go down, reduce the bevel to what? 0. The ambient light, you can adjust it how you want, the specular lights and other things. So you have to reduce the this one will be what? Nice. Like click on OK. How to design a YouTube thumbnail on your smartphone using PixelLab. Hope you're understanding the concept. Using, so you click on text again, edit. Now right, using PixelLab. Click on down. You let it be like this. Let the PixelLab be in caps. Anyhow you want. That's what I want. So I'll leave it that way. So from here I can increase the size as well. I let it be like that. Let me just go straight to the color. I change the color straight away. Okay, let it be violet. I go and select the font. I'll go to my channel 5 again. Okay. Then I can add this to storage. I go and add my shadow. Let it just be positioned there. So you can add some other things. I was having the PixelLab app image. Let me go and check if it's still there. I'll show you something. So I just come to this button over here. I click on what? Import. First, I'm going to check whether if the PixelLab image is available. Okay, let me check. Okay, it's still available, so I click on it. Then I make it a circle in the circular form by clicking on this. Then I click on the check over here. Hope you are following. From there I decrease the size by going to relative position. Relative size, please. Sorry. The relative size. I click on relative size. I decrease it. I go and place it over here. Then I click on my check mark. I now go to strokes and add some strokes. Okay, this is beautiful. I go to low and then the shadow, and I'm done. You can now go ahead and save your whole thing, but before that, lock everything there by clicking on this lock everything. Then you now click on this. You're clicking on it, save it as what? Image. After that, you come and save it as project. Saving it as image will enable you locate the image in your gallery. By saving it as project, the image will just be saved in PixelLab here. So let's save as image. Then I scroll down. Okay, you can see save to gallery. So I click on it. Rendering image. It also save. So we are done. Thank you very much. Now one coming Odeshi. Why am I no? Why? Me am a docono. Me am a hono. Obidi me jimia. Me frobia. Joe. Me am a bono. Bema ejine muacho. No be today. No be today. I dey look for money like it be hide and seek with the play. Sweet like chicken fillet. Promote no fund the sick and no mugu go pay. Tuition I come from me babaji pay. Yeah, dodgy traffic we know the delay. We know the carry last. Yeah, beria. Just a me recipe. Now say emojis in Kwan. I know they talk plenty. If you hear say, be the man niggas a fight. Maybe we the play MK. When I stay everywhere like it be winter. Joe hustler for chop king K. But me di me. La hustle. Yes I la. Yes I la. What I was shika. Jena. Ujimino. La hustle. Yes I la. Yes I la. What I was shika. Jena. Ujimino. Mimpe. Bad energy, mimpe. I told him so I'm mimpe. Please subscribe, share and like.
Eyes on my neck, eyes on my